I'm going to take this piece of cedar that we ripped down to 5 1/4 and we're going to cut 4 boards 12 inches long. Take 2 of the 12-inch boards and line them up and mark them at 2 inches and 10 inches. Just like so. That's going to be our location for pocket holes. Alright, I got the Craig Jig 720 Pro Plus here. Already got the gauge depth set for the bits. So this thing right here is a self-adjusting clamp. So what you do is you line up the line with the hole you're going to drill. I'm just going to set it down in here. Well, what I should do is run this line up here or turn it around so I can see where the line is. Okay. Let me run that line across. Alright. Got a reference line here, so take this top line and line it up with the groove that's on this here pocket hole jig. Need to make an adjustment we can. And we take our bit and we drill our pocket hole. Perfect pocket holes. And we'll do the same. We only need the pocket holes on 2 pieces. Alright, we're going to put some wood glue between them, and we're going to take some 1-inch pocket hole screws and join the 2 boards together. Line up the marks and get your 1-inch pocket hole screws and join these 2 together. Use a 1-inch board because these pickets are only 1/2 inch thick, where years ago they used to be 5/8 to 3/4. Uh-oh. Well, I'm having an issue here. Hold on. You get the pocket hole screws in it, you got 2 boards that are joined together. Set the miter saw at 8 degrees to the left, and then we're going to cut starting from the bottom, leaving it at the tip up at that 8-degree angle, and we're going to flip it over and do the same cut, leaving the bottom edge at 12 inches wide. Also remember to have some kind of hearing protection and safety glasses. Remember, safety third. Flip it, and we're going to do the same thing. We'll put our line so that our blade cuts and leaves us right at 12 inches on the outside edge. Ah, hang on. I was reaching for my tape measure, and there we go. 12 inches. Next. Alright, once we got that second cut on there, we're going to rotate it and put it up against the fence at that same, not the same angle. We're actually going to move this to 34 degrees. So there's 30. 1, 2, 3, 34 degrees right there. And we're going to pull down 4.5 inches off this end and find the center point. Four and a half inch mark right there. Double check that. Okay, now we're going to take our saw I'm gonna find the edge of that 4.5 inch mark, and we're gonna cut it right there. And then we are going to flip it, and we're gonna find the peak, that 4.5 inch mark, and we're gonna cut again. Well, fellas, let that be a lesson. Don't know what lesson, but looks like I had a little boo-boo there. We get to start over.